everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to scan QR code in the Bitget wallet app. Now, scanning a QR code with the Bitget wallet app typically involves these steps. Launch the Bitget wallet app on your mobile device. The QR code scanner is often integrated into the app's camera function or accessible through a dedicated scan button. Look for a camera icon, a QR code icon, or a scan option usually found on the main wallet screen within the app browser or within the send/receive function. Now, if the app requests permission to access your device's camera, grant the permission. Hold your phone device's camera over the QR code, ensuring it's within frame. The app should automatically focus and scan the code. Once the QR code is scanned, the app will process the data encoded within it. This could be a wallet address for receiving cryptocurrency, a website URL, a wallet connection request, or other various data. The app may prompt you to confirm the action associated with the scanned QR code. For example, if it's a wallet address, you likely need to confirm that you want to send cryptocurrency to that address. If it is a wallet connect request, you need to approve the connection. Now, here are some troubleshooting tips. Ensure the QR code is well lit. Make sure your device's camera is focused on the QR code. Adjust the distance between your device and the QR code. Ensure your Bitget wallet is up to date. And if your camera is not working, ensure the Bitget wallet app has permission to use the camera. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.